realize that the journey is everything. There ain't no destination, man, the journey is everything.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Team Riff here, back with another video. I'm recording this video on my MacBook Pro. Usually I'm at my desktop, but I'm traveling a bit a ways right now in California. But in this video, we're gonna be talking about TikTok ad consistency. I see a bunch of questions on why your ads aren't spending, why you aren't profitable, and just overall, why are things not as smooth as you want them to be. Welcome. If you're new to this channel, we talk about TikTok ads, drop shipping, e-commerce, right? Pretty much everything going on in the media buying space as well as e-commerce. So if you're new, smash that like button, subscribe to this channel. It means a ton. And let's get straight into it, right? So just TikTok ad consistency in general. I'm gonna be talking more so than just showing you on the manager. It's more so just the concept rather than a total quick fix. So a lot of people, right, I recommend this too, how we launch at low budgets, right? We launch at these low budgets at $20 and we see what's working, what's not working. We test a few creatives, so maybe creative 1, creative 2, creative 3. We have all these small ad groups and these small budgets, and we're seeing, right, what gives the best click-through rate, what gives in reality just the most overall lower CPA. And that's what we want to use to scale. We want to shoot more content just like that. So a lot of people, right, maybe in the first day, you get a couple purchases at a very low CPA. Say you get, even a $10 CPA for the product you're selling. Then the next, 1 to 2 days, you get 0 purchases, right? You get 0 purchases. Sorry if I'm not as strong as normally as I usually do, but I'm on my computer. You get 0 purchases, right? So first day, maybe you get a few purchases. The second day, 0. Then maybe the third day, 0 again. And you're wondering, how did I do so well on the first day, but on the second and third, now all my results just toppled, they fell off, right? Especially when it comes to TikTok and even just online marketing, you need to have some patience. Have some patience if you want to see some true success. And by this, I mean, zoom out, look at the macro. You can't reliably spend $20 on an ad group and expect it to get a sale every single day. It just doesn't work like that. So a quick tip on how to go, past this problem and get through to some consistency is you have to be willing to spend the budget on TikTok and make an investment. I look at it like this and be able to let the system learn. Nowadays, I've been trying to consolidate as much as possible of my ad groups. So if I have too many ad groups, I want to put them all in one and try to, get the best results on a smaller level, meaning organization-wise. So the best thing you can do is when you see ads that are going well, instead of how we branched off like one creative 3, creative 2, creative 1, put these 3 creatives in an ACO, an automated creative optimization, right? It's a type of ad group that you can make on TikTok. Put it in ACO, and then you want to up the budget to at least a decent amount. So say if you're spending $20, you want to put it 10x, right? Whatever your product price is, it all depends. We just want to shoot for at least 50 conversions in a week. We want to shoot for these 50 conversions. Reason being is that allows TikTok to exit the learning phase and be able to deliver your product and your ads to the best reliable audience on a more consistent level. That way, once it breaks the learning phase, you still have room to get and lower that CPA. So at first it might start higher. You might be like, oh, I'm break even, but break even is a good thing, especially when the pixel is learning and growing. Overall, just make sure your budget in ad group is enough to get 50 conversions a week in a 7-day time frame. And for an ad level, it takes 10 conversions for the pixel to optimize on the ad level. So 10 on the ad level per creative, and then 50 on the ad group. So guys, like I said, that was just a quick video on TikTok ad consistency. If you want more videos like this, I'm launching them on this channel. You guys can subscribe, do what you want to do if you're interested in TikTok ads and online marketing. Also, guys, you can check out the case study I made from $0 to $631,000 on how I scaled that store in 90 days just on TikTok, which is pretty insane. So you guys can check that out if you would like. And, I'll see you guys till the next video. Let me know also if this was helpful and what you would like to see in the future. All right, guys, till next one. Peace.